This video will guide you through the operation of the Hotman system. Before turning on the machine, the electrode pads should be attached to a total of 8 wires that connects to the signal receiver. The signal receiver has 2 sides, the patient left and the patient right. Always starts on the patient left side of the signal receiver. Each side has a total of 4 wires with different colors. 2 longer ones, white and black, for the patient's neck, and 2 shorter ones, green and red, for the patient's chest. Cleanse the patient's skin with alcohol swabs before placing the electrodes on the patient's neck and chest. On the patient's left, starting with the white wire and stick it on the root of the neck, which is on the upper side of the clavicle. Next, place the black wire on top of the white wire. Regarding the 2 shorter wires for the patient's chest, place the red wire on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphisternum, proximal to the level of the nipple. The green wire is placed right below the red wire. Repeat the same instruction on the patient right side of the signal receiver. After everything has been set up, place the blood pressure cuff on the patient's upper arm. The 2 cables should be inserted into the corresponding adapters on the machine. Now, carefully open the cover of the machine and switch it on by pressing the power button. Double-click on the Hotman software on the screen and allow a few seconds for the test interface to appear. Click Service Start and input the patient's detail, including the name, date of birth, height, weight and gender. Then click Start. The blood pressure cuff should begin to inflate. Allow a few seconds for the patient's blood pressure to be recorded. After measuring the patient's blood pressure, the 4 readings should appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Meanwhile, observe the readings and ensure that they are relatively consistent and stable. Allow a few seconds for all data to appear on the right. Then click Save and choose the position of the client. In most cases, the second position, which is the horizontal position, is chosen. Generally, about 4 to 6 sets of data are recorded and saved, with approximal 1 to 2 minute intervals. To check the saved data, click Digital Data. After the procedure and data collection, exit the screening system and switch off the device.